Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. I am doing this video just to do a follow-up on the stock that I bought a couple days ago. Actually, it's 2 days ago. And right now, the PBF Energy stock share, it went down to $6.67. I bought it at $7.83, and I bought 8 share. So I'm doing this video just to a history record for me. So today it's 9/10/20, and the share price dropped to $6.67 at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. The trading volume right now is 60,000. And this website, it actually show a little bit better than any other website because you can actually zoom in, zoom out, and also they have more detail on the pricing momentum. And this is I like to look at it because that is just the baseline for me, the foundation for me to actually review what stocks is better for me to invest in. And the dividend have been decreasing as well. The revenue also have been decreasing. Earning per share also have been decreasing. So that is okay. We are looking for the long-term investment. And I look at the key measure, valuation, financial strength. And for click valuation, the cash flow is $13.99 price per cash flow. So doing better than the industry average and sector average, but a little bit less than S&P 500. And again, I'm not a financial advisor, and I am not an expert in any kind of a stock or anything like that. I'm just doing this just for my own personal knowledge and experience. I learned it from book. I learned it when I was in school, and I am not a major in a financial or trading stock like that, but I learned it by just reading and then learning from the internet as well as from books. There's so many books I have read. I read sometimes 4 books just 1 week. Okay, so the asset is remained almost similar to a couple months ago, and the profit, as you can see, compared to an average S&P, is a little bit lower, and profit margin is 1.3. It's lower than the S&P 500, than the sector average and industry average. So 1.3%. Gross profit margin is 10.8%, a little bit higher than the industry average, but the sector average is doing better, which means other company doing better, and then the S&P 500 way better. So this is like an evidence saying that if you invest into an S&P, it's actually better. So the S&P index or a mutual fund might be doing better instead of investing into a single stock. But sometimes, you don't have a lot of money, just like in my case, I have only $62.64. So I just invest I need only 8 shares to complete this amount. And I can buy and hold 8 shares, just cost me $62.64. And let's look at something else. So this website, CNBC, it's a good website. They tell you the summary, the new profile, earning, peer review. Peer, the same company, like in the same sector, financial, option, ownership, all of that information. Ooh, okay. Analyst consensus and trend still continue to say a strong hold. Continue to hold the share. Do not sell it. And a little bit okay on, recommended to buy. And they say underperform. Yes, this stock is underperformed. The current price target. So target in a year this stock going to be at $10.80. So right now it's $6.59, but they estimated the target price in 1 year is going to be $10.80. Now look at the peer, the top peer. It's the same similar company that doing the same business. They also have been doing not that well either. But again, different company have a different team and different financial status, so they have a different earning, as well as their stock might perform a little bit better or maybe a little bit worse than PBF. As you can see right here, the earning projection. So I'm looking at the fourth quarter. So the next earning report will be October 29. Okay. So let's click into that section. That's what it come up to right here. So fourth quarter earning, it will estimated price per share. Earning price per share will be negative $1.37. So if you buy stock right now, you are expected to lose your money because they're expecting of the loss. And let's see the option. Okay. I don't have anything to say about the option at the moment. And let's see the shareholder. So we have institution shareholder will be 326 holder, mutual fund 426 holder, other major is 34 holder. So this is great. I like mutual fund, especially the active manager. If I do have a lot of money and I want to invest something very good, I can trust the manager in the mutual fund. Not all of them, but someone who have at least 10,000 hour experiencing in their field, or maybe even longer, so they can actually help us invest more money to a better investment vehicle, and then try to beat the market for us. I don't mind to pay them 1% to 2% or even 3%. But right now I do not have a lot of money, so managing my own fund is the best ability I can do. And so far, I doing it, I have earned 13% annually, and the lowest that I earn by doing myself, it's 8%. So the buyer monthly rotation buyer on September 10, 2020, the number of share is 51 million, the volume change 579, and percentage of share outstanding 102. Okay, it's a little bit high. That means a lot of buyer. And then the seller, so they don't have any seller. They sell 48.8%. Okay. So again, if you review my channel or watching the video, if I say something that's not supposed to, or maybe it's wrong, please comment below and correct me. Because this is, I use my ultimate knowledge that I learned. I do not have any teacher or any uh, mentorship anywhere. So I just do this on my own in my free time after work. And I do, do it like every day, because I learn it by look at the stock, learning. If I don't know anything, I don't understand anything, I just go and look it up. Okay, so this is a top institutional holder. I think we reviewed it before with another website, but this website actually have some graph, and then the number more a little bit easier to look at. And I like when they show all of these big institutional holder, and I can feel a little bit safer to invest my money inside this company. And again, this money that I invest in is only 62, 64 cents. So which means it's not that much money. And I do have some share before already, and it's not much either. It's probably total less than $2,000. Now, this is the top mutual fund holder. So, I like this graph right here, because they actually show a little bit better what mutual fund actually investing into this company. For some reason, I can't click on this. It's just, you hover around here, it's pop up the index 352 holder. So there is 352 mutual fund holder that hold the volume of this company at the price at $250 million, $59 million. So they own 23% of the company, the total combined of those 352 holder. Okay. And I like about it say right here, the turnover rating, it's low. So that's good. That indicate that a lot of people will buy the stock, and then they're not gonna sell it right away. They're gonna, they're not gonna sell it, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell like a short term. So they hold on to the stock for a long term. And it might be also indicate that people really love this stock, and they believe that this stock will go up in the future. Core value 3.5%, momentum 1.1%, growth 0.6%. So it's not much. Income value 0.1, and mixed style 0.1. I actually don't know what's a mixed style mean. Probably it's like a different type of holding. I'm just guessing. And if anybody know, explain it to me. Let's see right here. So what are those share held? Okay, so the mutual fund share held. Okay, percentage owned. Wow, okay. So they have many mutual fund investor, that mutual fund with the active manager, and they bought 4.8, especially SPDR, S&P Oil. It's 4.8 million share held by that company, by that mutual fund, with the position value at $41 million. Investment style. So they actually have these stock, PBF, in as their index fund. Okay, that's good. And Vanguard total index fund, it's 2.3%. So Vanguard held it as a mutual fund, index fund. And iShare Core S&P also have similar price to Vanguard, 2.3%. And another Vanguard, this one Vanguard total, probably total something, total index, I'm not sure what it is, I can't see it. Or total Admiral share or something. So this one also a Vanguard as well, with a different manager, different mutual fund. It's 2.4 million share at $20 million with 2.0 index. Okay, that's a lot of Vanguard. So I think I'm probably one of them trying to buy the stock, I guess. Maybe it doesn't count. I don't know because my money is too little. But I will grow it until I get to the goal that I want to, and then convert it to an index fund. So that is ownership. Okay, let's look at the news. Okay, anything related to the company? Nope, they don't have anything related to the company. And again, so if you buy a stock, especially individual stock, if you have time, you actually can go and look at it and to see how your stock that you pick is doing. Okay, and don't invest a lot of money into just one stock because that is a lot of risk. That's why I only invest a little amount of money into just a single stock, because and sometimes I don't know, like I'm not an expert in that area, so I just do as the budget that I have, and it's just for fun as well. And if you do have a lot of money, if I do have a lot of money, I would invest in a diversified fund or diversified account, such as mutual fund that have variety of stock, variety of company in there, the big large company in there, and then I won't be afraid that I lose money, because if one company bankrupt, at least they have another 400 company within that same fund, that same mutual fund or that same index fund, still doing better, and you continue to earn something. Even one company die or even half of it die, half of it bankrupt or something. So again, this is the PBF energy company, and the price of the share currently is $6.67 at the extended hour, which is after hour 7 p.m. And right here, there is a little bit. Sometimes when we just learn about a company, we don't even know. Energy company, it could be a natural gas or something like that. But this company is petroleum refiner and supply of unbranded transportation fuel, heating oil, uh, petrochemical, feedstock, lubricant, and other petroleum product in the United States. So read about the company before you actually invest into the company. And I also sometimes look at their team. And if I really want to know more, I actually copy and paste and search for their name and to see what is they accomplished in the past year. Some company, they just hire a new CEO, and then they might not do that well when they go into the new company. But some new CEO, they know what they're doing, then they flip the company around and to become more better, stronger, and have more financial independence and grow bigger, just like Tesla, something like that. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe below and click the bell for more video. If you do like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, please comment below, and also hit thumb down, but comment to let me know if why you don't like it. And you don't have time, it's okay. Just stop by and say hi. Have a good day. Bye bye.